Thutha wa igeria riake ria kurugamia watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 origi seneta wa BUSIA OKIYA Omtatah ni acokete igoti-ini itanya-ini ria kurugamia mendekithia ma watho wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2024. Ihoya-ini riake igoti-ini ria Milimani, Omtatah arenda mbunge ya bururi irugamie mĩhang'o ya ũngania wa mawoni kuma kuri muingi megiĩ mendekithia ma watho uyu, na ho akamenereria mbunge ya bururi ni gutamania mendekithia maya itambite kuhitukia mendekithia ma budget ya mwaka wa kigina ma mwaka wa 2024-2025, akiuga ni mugaru na watho agikuwa hena mubango wa gukungia muingi wara na njira ya kungania mbeca kuma kuri o kuhitukira magoti hatari na budget. Kuregana na Omtatah, gutiri na mutaratara mukinyaniru wa KIWATHO wa gukinyaniria mendekithia maya, riu akienda mbunge ya bururi irugamie mĩhang'o ya guthurima mendekithia maya, kuria endekithitie mucirithania munene Martha Koome amure majaji matanyihire atatu aria meguthikiriria cira uyu. Ihinda-ini o riu mutongoria wa gikundi gia gutetera ihoto cia muingi Linda Ugatuzi Fred Ogolla nyokereire President William Ruto ni kugeria kururumura utonga wa bururi na njira ya kuongerera muingi magoti ategwetha njira ingi cia kungania mbeca.
They are using one strategy which is tax. But you have to use a cocktail of economic policies. One, raise taxes to the point of to optimal point upon which the economy can continue work. And for that matter, I ask you to review the taxation downwards by at least 12%. The second thing you need to do is you need to lower the interest rates, because if you are taxing people highly and the interest rates are going up, entrepreneurs, business community cannot access fund so that there can be more economic activity.
Ogolla endekithitie thirikari ithurime marihi ma magoti weru na imaikurukie na gicunjĩ kia 12 harĩ igana, naho ihuthie njira cia wĩigithia bururi-ini.
Let us invest on things which encourage trade and business. So if you put these initiatives together, the economy will wake up. But if you only have one medicine, malaria, taxation. But the truth is that you are not getting it right. But we are tired of it. If you cannot get it right by 1st of June, we shall call you back. Because hakuna madaraka bila mamlaka.
Mbunge ya bururi ibatie gutiriha ungania wa mawoni kuma kuri muingi tariki 28 mweri uyu wa gatano. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Washege.